the body, take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and mid finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your mid finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and mid finger. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the mid finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Such a V shape is formed on the side. The chain stitch is dress height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is formed on the side. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Place a marker in the first stitch, through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six V shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook. And pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the wrenching loop on the hook. That's 1 snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. First, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. The snip stitch and the chain stitch are not counted into the number of stitches. Skip these 2 small V shapes and work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the return loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection as not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done.